Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute School, and this is Purvita, your new instructor here. Today I am going to discuss about various types of vitamins and their effects of deficiency. So before starting, I have a request to you. Please subscribe our channel 5 Minute School and press bell icon so that you can easily get our early updates and all notification. Let's start. So guys, what is vitamin? Vitamins are group of substances that are needed for normal cell functions, growth and development. Actually, it is a such kind of essential nutrients which enable your body to work properly and to stay healthy. Actually, we need very small quantities for proper functioning of its metabolism. There are two types of vitamin, that is, first is fat soluble vitamin, that is A, D, E and K. Another is water soluble vitamin, that is B, C, etc. So first, vitamin A or retinol. It is fat soluble vitamin and effect of deficiencies are xerophthalmia and night blindness. Next is vitamin D or calciferol. It is D2 argocalciferol and D3 cholecalciferol. And effect of deficiencies are one is ricket and osteomalacia. And now next is vitamin E or tocopherol. It is fat soluble vitamin and effects of deficiencies are reversible sterility in female, atrophy of spermatogenetic tubules of testis, muscular dystrophy, anemia due to increased breakdown of blood cells. Actually, this vitamin is very important for proper spermatogenesis, pregnancy, lactation and muscular function. Let's see what is next. Next is vitamin K, phyloquinolone, fat soluble vitamin, and effect of deficiency is hemorrhages. It has anti-hemorrhagic factor. And next one is vitamin M or folic acid. Effects of deficiencies are anemia, is megaloblastic anemia and nutritional cytopenia. It is water soluble vitamin. After that, vitamin B, and first is vitamin B1 or thiamine. It is water soluble vitamin. It is essential for carbohydrate and amino acid metabolism. Effects of deficiency is very. Next is vitamin B2 or vitamin G or riboflavin. It is water soluble vitamin. Effects of deficiency erythrophlavinosis and ciliasis. It is one kind of disease of mouth, inflammation of mouth and lips. Next is vitamin B3 or niacin or nicotinic acid. It is water soluble vitamin and effects of deficiency is pellagra. You can call pellagra Fodry syndrome. Why it is Fodry syndrome? These four kind of syndrome are seen in case of pellagra. That is dermatitis first, second is diarrhea, and third it is dementia, one kind of nervous disease, and last death. And PP3 or main pellagra preventive factor. Vitamin B3 has pellagra preventive factor. Next is vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. It is water soluble vitamin and effects of deficiency is dermatitis. Next, vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. It is water soluble vitamin. Effects of deficiencies are dermatitis and anemia. Next, vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. It is also water soluble vitamin, and effects of deficiencies are stunted or retarded growth, pernicious anemia and megaloblastic anemia. Last, vitamin C or ascorbic acid. It is also water soluble vitamin. Effects of deficiencies are scurvy, delayed wound healing, breakdown of immune system. And guys, the last vitamin is vitamin H or biotin. It is not so important, and effect of deficiencies are skin disease, anorexia, etc. So guys, this is a very small lesson about vitamin and its effects of deficiencies. And in my next class, I will discuss about various sources of vitamins. Till then, stay healthy and keep in touch with us. Thank you and tata.